In this video, we will highlight 3 common PPC mistakes Amazon sellers often make and show you how you can fix them using HELIUM 10's Cerebro and Magnet tools. If you want to try HELIUM 10 tools yourself, you'll find the link and some special discounts below in the video description.
Have you ever wondered why the products you're running on PPC are not resulting to more sales and having low impressions? Amazon PPC issues are complex, and if you are unsure what went wrong, then we can give you some of the PPC mistakes you might commit, and we got you, as we will provide tips on how to help you resolve these issues. Hi, my name is Nikki and I'm from Orange Klik. And today we're going to show you what those PPC mistakes you are currently doing, and we will give you ways to fix it. So let's dive right into it. The first thing you might notice when you are running your PPC ads is that first, the product you are currently running had a decrease in sales. The possible reasons why this happens is because you are not winning the buy box. Second, the product that you are targeting your ads is ineligible. Third, your inventory is currently out of stock, so this is an inventory issue. Next is your product is being de-indexed by Amazon for the keywords that you have selected. And lastly, the campaign is out of budget by the end of the day. Here are the tips to troubleshoot or to fix these issues. First, not winning buy box. Check the listing and who got the buy box spot and wait for other competitors to get out of stock or lower down your selling price to snatch back the buy box spot. Another tip to use automated tools using repricing tools that automatically adjust your prices based on competitor actions. And for inventory levels, ensure you have sufficient inventory to avoid stockouts. Running out of stock can cause you to lose the buy box as well. For the ineligibility, check the campaigns and which products are ineligible for ads and find out why. You can then start to figure out the next steps to making it ineligible for ads. Inventory is out of stock, so make sure to check sales trends and then next time when you run out of campaign that you have sufficient stock during the campaign active status. Fourth, for the indexed by Amazon. Check the keyword health by checking the search volume in HELIUM 10. You can check it through Cerebro, and in the event of losing search volume, you might want to add or discover more highly relevant keywords with better search volume to target. So we did a Cerebro competitor keyword research, and you can check it out in our previous videos, which you will be able to check the link on the description of this video down below. And lastly, for the campaign out of budget by the end of the day. For this issue, you may need to increase daily campaign budget as you might be losing your keyword rankings. The implications of getting out of budget early on in the day are the following. First is visibility drop. When your ads stop running, your products may lose visibility on search results, leading to decreased traffic to your listings. Next is sales decline. A drop in visibility can lead to fewer sales, which may impact your overall revenue and profitability. Third is organic ranking impact. With consistent PPC performance, it can help boost your organic rankings. A sudden drop in sales can hurt your organic position, making it harder to regain visibility. If you also get out of budget early, it will also increase the cost per click. If your competitors maintain their campaigns, you may face higher CPCs when you restart your ads as the competitive landscape shifts. And for the budget management, this situation highlights the importance of effective budget management and forecasting to ensure your campaigns can run throughout the day. For the performance metrics, a pause in ad spend can affect performance metrics such as conversion rates and ACoS, which is an advertising cost of sale, making it harder to analyze campaign effectiveness. As for the long-term strategy, reassessing your PPC strategy and setting more realistic budgets or adjusting bidding strategies may be necessary to prevent future budget exhaustion. The second PPC mistake that you might be committing is if you're advertising ineligible ASIN due to out of stock. This means that a product is out of stock or experiencing fulfillment issues that it may become ineligible for ads. The possible actions could be to calculate the sales velocity. If stocks are depleting, this calculation can help forecast the event of out of stock and you will be able to avoid going out of stock again. The formula for sales velocity is equal to total orders divided by the number of days in the range. You should pick a date range between 7 days, 14 days, and 30 days. The answer is the sales velocity for the date range you chose. If stocks are already out of stock, pause the campaigns. We don't want longer shipping time when new stocks are just inbound. It is squeezing in bad juice for the metrics of the running campaign. You can get unwanted impressions and unwanted clicks as well. You will likely not convert as the shipping dates will be 3 to 6 weeks from order date. You will also have bad effect on your AUGUSTAS and ad spend, which you will have more spend and no sales, and bad effect on your conversion rates as well. Amazon has strict guidelines regarding the eligibility of products and campaigns for advertising on its platform, which helps maintain a high standard for the customer experience and compliance with various regulations. Products and campaigns can become ineligible for Amazon ads for several reasons. Here are the common reasons and steps to troubleshoot them. First is the non-compliant product content. The reason is the product listing may contain misleading information, offensive language, or prohibited content. Troubleshoot is to review Amazon's creative acceptance policies and ensure all product images, titles, and descriptions comply. Avoid exaggerated claims or misleading pricing information and ensure all content is appropriate. Remove any sensitive, restricted, or prohibited content, for example, certain weapons, tobacco, or adult products. Second is restricted product categories. Some product categories are restricted or require special approval to advertise, such as drugs, alcohol, medical devices, or adult content. To troubleshoot this, check if your product falls under Amazon's restricted products policy. Apply for necessary permission if allowed. If the product is prohibited, it will not be eligible for ads, and you should consider offering an alternative product. Next is the low product rating or bad reviews. Products with poor rating below 3 stars or negative reviews may not be eligible for ads. To fix this, improve product quality, customer service, or marketing to increase your ratings and reviews. Address customer complaints, which can help turn around negative feedback. Next is poor conversion metrics. Amazon may pause or disqualify campaigns that show poor performance, low click-through rates, or low conversion rates. We have other previous videos about how to fix PPC mistakes, and you can check them out. How to fix low click-through rates or low conversion rates in a video which we will be posting on the description of this video. To troubleshoot this, optimize your ad copy, keywords, and images to improve ad performance. Analyze campaign data and adjust targeting or bidding strategies accordingly. Next is account health or policy violation. Sellers who have violated Amazon seller policies, for example, poor account health, late shipment rates, may lose advertising privileges. To fix this, monitor your account health dashboard for any flags or warnings. Fix any issues related to customer complaints, shipping, or refunds. Next is incompatible ad format. The type of product may not be supported for certain ad formats, sponsored brands, sponsored displaying, or sponsored products. To fix this, verify that your product and campaign type align with the ad format you're using. Consider switching to different ad format that works better for your product. The general steps to troubleshoot are to review campaign settings. Ensure your targeting options, budget, and bidding strategy are appropriate for the product. Next is fix listing quality. Improve your listing by adding high-quality images, accurate descriptions, and competitive pricing. Next is to check Seller Central notifications. Regularly review any notifications from Amazon that might indicate why your ads or products are ineligible. And fourth, contact Amazon support. If you are unsure why your product or campaign is ineligible, contact Amazon seller support for specific guidance. By ensuring your listings are compliant and aligned with Amazon's policies, you can prevent and resolve most ineligibility issues. The third and final Amazon PPC mistake that you might be committing is if your campaigns are having impression suppression. Impression suppression in Amazon ads refers to a situation where your ads are not getting the expected number of impressions, which can happen due to various factors. One significant cause is when ad budgets are consumed by high traffic targets, leaving little or no budget for other targets. This leads to a form of impression suppression where certain keywords or products receive fewer or no impressions. Here are the key implications of impression suppression due to the ad budget being used up by higher traffic targets. First is missed opportunities for lower traffic, high converting keywords. If your budget is drained by high traffic but lower converting keywords or targets, it means that lower traffic, high converting keywords are underfunded or neglected. These lower traffic keywords can often have better relevance and can lead to high conversion rates. So the consequence is you might lose out on valuable sales opportunities for more niche, long-tail keywords, resulting in inefficient ad spend and missed profitability. The next implication is uneven distribution of ad spend. High traffic targets consume most of the budget early in the campaign, leaving no funds for other times or ad groups that may perform better. You could see poor overall ad performance and fewer impressions on lower traffic, lower cost keywords that could give you a better return on ad spend. The campaign might become heavily skewed toward a few over-competitive keywords or products products, which can cause underperformance. The next implication could be higher cost per click. High traffic keywords are often most competitive, leading to higher bids and thus increasing your cost per click. Increased cost per click can drive up advertising costs without necessarily improving conversion rates, leading to lower profitability and less efficient use of budget. Next is budget exhaustion early in the day. We have mentioned this a while ago. So when high traffic targets eat up the budget quickly, especially during peak hours, the ad campaign may stop showing altogether later in the day due to budget exhaustion. This can result in lost impressions and sales opportunities during later parts of the day when competition might be lower and potential customers are still searching for your products. Next is reduced campaign reach and target diversity. Impression suppression can limit the reach of your ads to a small subset of high traffic, high competition keywords or audience, reducing the diversity of your targeting strategy. This narrows your overall customer base exposure, limiting the visibility of your product to potential new customers who may be searching with less competitive but relevant terms. Poor ad relevance and audience targeting. When high traffic keywords dominate, your ads may show up for less relevant searches, leading to lower quality traffic. These can negatively impact ad relevance, increasing your bounce rate and lowering your quality score or ad relevance score. Ultimately, this will make your ad spend less efficient because irrelevant traffic rarely converts into sales. And lastly, decrease in campaign performance metrics. Impression suppression from over-prioritized high-traffic targets can lead to lower click-through rate, lower conversion rates, and an overall lower return on ad spend. A campaign that's not optimized for performance metrics may perform below expectations, hurting your overall ad performance and potentially impacting your Amazon seller rankings. Impression suppression due to higher bids on higher traffic search volume targets in Amazon ads can have significant implications for ad performance, budget efficiency, and overall business outcome. When you allocate higher bids to target high traffic keywords, especially in competitive niches, it can lead to your ad budget and being depleted quickly, causing impressions for other potentially more profitable keywords to be suppressed. Higher bids on high traffic keywords tend to consume your ad budget much faster because these keywords are more competitive and frequently searched. If your budget is exhausted early in the day or within a short period, your ads will no longer be shown the rest of the day. This creates significant impression suppression for other lower bid or lower traffic keywords that might have converted better at different times. It can also mean an efficient use of ad spend. Bidding aggressively on high traffic keywords can lead to inefficient use of your ad budget if those high traffic keywords do not generate proportional conversions. You may be paying more per click for competitive keywords without seeing a corresponding increase in sales, leading to a poor return on ad spend. The result is the funds that could have been used on more cost-effective, low-traffic keywords are wasted on high-traffic but low-converting searches. It can also have a low impression share for long-tail keywords. Long-tail keywords, which tend to have lower search volume but higher conversion rates, may receive fewer impressions because the budget is dominated by higher bids on high traffic terms. This can lead to lost opportunities or conversions from long-tail keywords, which are often less expensive and more targeted. Missing out on these impressions can severely reduce the overall efficiency and effectiveness of your ad campaign. And lastly, limited learning from A/B testing. Impression suppression on lower traffic keywords can hinder your ability to test different ad strategies or keyword combinations. Without sufficient impressions on diverse keyword groups, it becomes difficult to test which ads or keywords are performing better, limiting the potential for campaign optimization and iterative improvement. You may be stuck optimizing for high traffic keywords, which may not be best long-term strategy. So here are the tips about the number of targets per campaign ad group. If you are following a linear campaign structure, the ideal number of targets are between 20 to 50 keywords. If you only have smaller budgets per campaign, then you will increase the limit to fewer targets. So, how to troubleshoot impression suppression? Review the targets by filtering 0 impressions. You can check through the range of 7 days to 30 days. Export or harvest the keyword into a list and launch these 0 impression keywords in a new campaign. Pause these harvested keywords in the campaign it was exported from and monitor the new campaign launch within a week to see if it's starting to get new impressions or clicks. When you have already launched a new campaign, sort your keyword targets by search volume. Group the keywords that are closer to each other in search volume count. You can use low, mid, and height to categorize search volume. It depends on your standard of what it means to be recognized as low search volume. It can be in the range of 300 search volume and below, or 500 search volume and below, or it can be 1000 as well. Mid search volume could be 2000 up to 10,000, or up to 20,000, and so on. When you create campaigns following your sorted and categorized targets by search volume, before launching that campaign, make sure they only have the ideal number of targets inside 20 to 50 keywords. Dedicate an ample budget and make sure that the bids are not too far from each other. So there you have it. Today we were able to show you some PPC mistakes that you might have committed and suggested some ways to troubleshoot it. And we hope that these tips could help you take down those issues in any situation you might be facing right now in your Amazon PPC journey. If you want to try HELIUM 10's all-in-one Amazon seller tool to do more advanced and effective keyword research and keyword tracking to help you optimize your listings and PPC campaigns, save big using our coupon codes in the description of this video below. Get 10% off any HELIUM 10 monthly plans using coupon code ORANGE10, or get 20% off the first 6 months using the ORANGE6M20 code. If you like the video that we just made, don't forget to send in good vibes in the comments section, and please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's Orange Klik. When you subscribe to Orange Klik, you will know the latest updates on the features of the different Amazon seller tools that will help you reach your business goals to a higher level. Again, this is Nikki from Orange Klik. Thank you for watching.
I hope this video will help you to solve these PPC issues mentioned in the video. If you want to try HELIUM 10 for yourself, make sure you check out the special offers in the video description. And if you found this tutorial helpful, hit like and subscribe buttons below this video. And now I recommend you to watch more videos on how to use HELIUM 10 tools for different aspects of your Amazon FBA business. So check this out.